Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wished you could analyze markets faster, cut through noisy data, and actually understand what's happening across stocks, crypto, forex, and commodities, today's review is for you. We're checking out Amsflow, an AI-powered financial analysis platform that packs a surprising amount of power. And right now, there's a lifetime deal on Stack Social. Let's take a closer look. You can analyze 70,000 plus global assets, dive into 100 plus years of market data, and use AI agents like Lisa and X-Ray to break down trends, fundamentals, performance, and correlations in seconds. Here are the big features that stood out. AI research assistants, Lisa and X-Ray, ask questions in plain English, screen stocks, or break down price action across multiple timeframes instantly. Huge global database over 70,000 assets including stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, crypto, forex, and commodities with real-time price data. Advanced stock screener with 550 plus metrics and 8,000 filters plus natural language screening so you don't need to learn query syntax. Portfolio management tools. Track your holdings, benchmark performance, and receive digest emails daily, weekly, or monthly. Custom dashboards, Amsflow Dash. Build your own research dashboards with widgets like heat maps, analyst ratings, correlations, and more. Real-time alerts. Get price, technical, and fundamental alerts via email, SMS, or webhooks. Technical charting suite. 18 plus drawing tools, multi-panel chart layouts, and in-chart adjustable alerts. Global calendars, earnings, economics, IPOs, and market holiday calendars in one place. This really feels like Bloomberg Lite at a tiny fraction of the cost. On Stack Social, the Amsflow Pro Plan lifetime subscription is available right now for $59 one time, regular price $599. You get lifetime access, including 7,000 AI credits, 120 SMS alert credits, 10 years of historical data, up to 550 fundamental technical price alerts, and access to all core plus AI plus portfolio tools, exclusive Stack Social coupon alert. Use code SOFTPARK20 checkout to save 20% instantly, one payment, lifetime access, no subscriptions. So that's Amsflow, a powerful AI-driven financial research tool that packs a lot of value, especially at its lifetime price. I'll leave the link in the description if you want to check out the lifetime deal. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell for more software deals and tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.